Hi everyone, this is Tatiana from Spotahome in London. Today I'm in Hammersmith area and I will show you around an amazing studio apartment which is located just under 10 minutes walk to Hammersmith station. Let's go and have a look. Here I am at the entrance of the property. It is located in a quiet residential apartment building and it is on the first floor with an elevator. It is a spacious, bright studio filled with natural light, and it is fully self-contained. Here on the left-hand side, there is a private bathroom, which has a sink, toilet, and a shower. On the right hand side we see out of storage, so double wardrobe, a desk with two chairs, fridge with a freezer, so here's our kitchen, kettle, cutlery, hob, oven. There is a microwave, there is a TV, sink. The road is just the one leading to Hammersmith station, and it is very well connected to anywhere in central London. So Hammersmith station offers access to 3 tube lines, and Hammersmith bus station is just next to Hammersmith underground station, which brings you a lot of bus connections to anywhere in London, so it is very convenient place to stay. And this is the double bed, which looks very comfortable with some storage up there. It's very bright and it's very nice and cozy room. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Best wishes from London.